This tutorial will illustrate some of the select options available within ETABS 2013. Selects are used to assign properties and loads, to edit and delete objects, and to selectively display tabular data. The first select is the pointer window, which is also available on the toolbar. It is active when the button is depressed. A single click on an object will select it. Note that the selected item is highlighted with dashed lines. Items selected are indicated in the lower left-hand corner. Clicking again on the object will unselect it. The same command can be used to do a window select. Drawing the window from left to right will select all objects that lie completely within the window. If we use this command once more, but this time draw the window from right to left, any object touched by the window or lying within the window will be selected. Next, we will use the poly select, which is similar to a window select in that any objects which lie within the polygon are selected. Hit the Enter key to complete the poly select. Next is the intersecting poly select, which selects any objects touched by the polygon or which lie within the polygon. The intersecting line select selects any item crossed by the line. All objects lying in a given plane can be selected by using the Click Joint and Plane commands. Here we select a joint lying in the XY plane. And all objects lying in the same plane are selected. The Select by Object Type command allows selection by the type of object, such as columns, or selection of multiple object types, such as beams and braces. We can do a similar selection by going to the Model Explorer window and on the Model tab, expand the Structural Objects branch, and for a specific story, such as Story 3, right-click on Columns and choose Select. This selects all columns at Story 3. The Select Properties command allows for the selection of objects by the properties assigned to them. Here we select by frame sections. We know that our columns have been assigned W14 by 159 sections. We can also perform this select using the Model Explorer. Expand Properties, and then Frame Sections, and then right-click on the W18 by 40 and choose Select. This selects the W18 by 40 sections that were assigned to the top level beams. We can also select by object label. A right-click on a column shows that this column has a label of C9. Returning to the Select command, with all showing, if we select C9, the column will be selected for the entire height of the building at this column line. We can also select by groups. Here we previously assigned the top columns to a group called top columns. The Select Stories command allows all objects in a story to be selected, or all objects in multiple stories to be selected. The Invert Selection command selects all objects not selected at the time the command is invoked. A very useful select is the Get Previous Selection command, which also shows up on the toolbar. Clicking this command simply selects the same objects from the previous selection. The Clear Selection command does just what its name says. It makes it such that no objects are selected, which is useful if you have made a mistake in your selection. Last but not least is the Select All command, which selects all objects. This concludes this tutorial on the select commands.